President Bongbong Marcos prohibits the use of wangwang and other similar devices. Now here's the report.
The PNP Highway Patrol Group confiscated blinkers from vehicles along EDSA. This comes after President Bongbong Marcos prohibited the use of signaling or flashing devices. Under Administrative Order Number 18, sirens or wangwang and blinkers are no longer allowed. These are said to cause traffic disruptions and unsafe road environments.
Yes, dapat bawal na siya kasi hindi naman siya nakakatulong sa batas trapiko.
Mas nararapat kasi maraming mga may pera na nakakabili ng wangwang na hindi naman para karapat-dapat silang gumamit. Tapos nagiging ang iba inaabuso.
Hindi dapat. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, may mga importanteng bagay na pinagagamitan yon. Katulad ng mga dignitary natin, katulad ng Presidente, Pangulo ng Pilipinas.
Policy advocate Alt Mobility Philippines says no one should be exempted.
Yung mas magandang pagtuunan ng pansin ay yung paglulutas ng public transportation. Ang inaasahan sana namin na mas mauna ay yung order na nag-uutos sa mga national government agencies na gumawa ng comprehensive plan.
Marcos earlier called on public officials to be an example in following traffic rules. He is also looking to limit the use of protocol plates and other special license plates.
This is welcome news. The late former President Pinoy also had this no wangwang policy. And this goes na sinasabi ni PBBM only in cases of emergencies for public officials. Madami kasing mayor na kilala natin.
Opportunist eh.
No, na nagwawang palabas pa lang ng
subdivision
nagwawangwang na. Sa loob tayo ng subdivision, may traffic pa. Ba't ka nagwawangwang? Tapos papatabihin Papatabihin ka. Ayun ang ayoko eh. Papatabihin ka kung walang traffic. Diba? We're all trying to get to somewhere important. Ngayon, ang nagiging problema, yung mga talagang may importanteng pupuntahan, tuloy hindi na pininiwalaan ng tao. Wala lang. Nagwawangwang. Yung pala, may mga ambulance na naapektuhan.
So at least we're clear on that already.
Oo, we're very clear on that.
Medyo natigil yan eh. Umusbong yan nung mga nakaraang taon eh, diba? Dumami na naman sila. Nawala, tapos biglang dumami
after
na naman.
After Pinoy, dumami.
Yeah. So it's good, no? A lot of people are saying, check ko yung mga comments ng netizens, sabi, Pinoy 2.0, yung mga, ako, it's fine. Diba? If it's something that works well for our country, why not?
Tsaka
I remember kasi nung si Mayor Sherwin Gatchalian at that time during COVID-19 pandemic, meron siyang ginayang process na ginawa ni Mayor Vico sa Pasig during the COVID-19 at talagang nag-exchange pa sila sa Twitter yon at that time na parang ginaya ko yung ginawa mo, ganyan, because it's good and I think it will work well also with his constituents, sabi niya ganun. So, okay lang yun na maggayahan tayo ng mga policies.
Pag maganda naman.
Pag maganda naman.
Yan ang magandang nakikita ko ginagawa ni PBBM. It's just, hindi porket other side of the political fence. He sees siguro it's a good thing. Plus, yung wangwang is not only the physical wangwang, he aims to address yung wangwang mentality.
Yes.
Yun ang end goal ni PBBM. Sabi niya, di ba, ano ba naman ang mangyayari? Maganda ka nga, infrastructure mo in traffic, pero ugali mo hindi nagbago. Wala rin. After that, tuloy-tuloy na yung mga policy na ginagawa niya on the road, di ba? So ito yung wangwang policy. Maganda to.